Hey, what's up, guys? The manufacturer sent me this 2-pack of pumps for free so I could check it out and show it to you. So the first thing, to just reiterate, it does come in a 2-pack. You can see this is about the size that it comes in. So it comes in a box and it's compressed all the way. So you can see this one is extended. So they come apart super easy. Just has this screw release here. So twist and it pops out there. And then you just have to make sure that you set it again so that it's tight. So there you go. See, release it and then set it again and it's ready to go. So I also want you to notice that it comes with these two different length and styles of hoses or tubings. So each one, you see, this is a smaller tube that would be good for like this size bottle. And then a longer tube that might be good for like a 5-gallon bucket or bottle, something like that. Um, I love these because, as you can see, I took one already and I use it in one of these dial refillable soap containers here. I love buying it like this because it's oftentimes a lot cheaper, and having the access to these pumps, a pump like this, makes it so I don't have to buy all the refillable ones. If I want, I can just use this. Or to use the refillable ones, it makes it easier to just transfer over. So, have the empty bottle, pump this, and fill up the other one. So they're really nice pumps, and I love having it. And just a quick show here. You can see how well they work. They're actually like really, really nice pumps. So, if you're looking for pumps that you can use for some of these refillable bottles or anything like that, definitely think it's a good product and one that you should check out.